Alright, welcome to Scripting 3, where you can learn all about JavaScript in short tutorials of around 3 minutes or less. And in this video, we're looking at adding CSS into a parcel bundled application. And I'm going to introduce you to styled components as well. So if I go into the app home JSX here, and then we can see styled, import styled from styled components. If I open up the browser here, we've got Hello World there, and if I open up the browser, we can see our Hello World doesn't have any styling at all. So we'll go back to our code, and if I wrap this in a, let's say, a component called welcome. So what's going to happen here is that when I save this, it shouldn't actually render and should come up with a warning that welcome doesn't exist. But okay, it hasn't done it there, but let's have a look in the browser. Here's our warning here. So here, a reference here, welcome is not defined. So go back to our code here. And up here in const, we're going to do welcome equals style.div, and then some strange syntax here. We're going to add the string concatenation here, and we're going to change the color to red. And you'll notice this looks a bit like CSS, and it happens that it is. So we've declared and assigned the value to the welcome here, and then this should actually affect this component here. So now when I save that and go back to the home page, you will see that it has actually rendered it in red. So reload the page, there's no warning now, and the hello world is red. And that is how style components work. Let's say, for example, you're going to include a button. So let's make our hello world into, let's add a button underneath that. Button like that. And we want this to actually be a button. I'm going to call this one go. And then up here we can do const button equals styled, and then we wrap that like so. And we're actually going to call this as a button like that, and that will tell the code that there's going to be a button there, and we'll make the color of that red as well. Control S, save that, and then go back to our home page there, and then you can see that it's rendered a button and styled it with the red color. And that there I'm using the styled components package, and I highly recommend that, as it means that all of your styles are coming in from this inside of this module, which is very, very helpful. But you can also, if you want to, you can use style CSS styles. You can use your regular styles CSS here. So let's say we're going to do body, and then background red, like so, and then save that. And these styles.css is coming in from through the app JSX. You can see it up there, import styles.css. And hopefully now that's saved, and we go to the home page, and you can see that the color is changed. So there's you can use regular style CSS. I think you can use Sass as well, but in this case I'm using the styled components. I hope that is helpful.